Hey guys, okay, so I hate to break it to you, but unfortunately, council does not give a damn about what your intentions are with regards to your property in the future. You just ain't that special. Ouch, truth hurts, right? No, that is not the case. What I'm talking about here, or the reason why I say that, is you need to understand when it comes to town planning, the approval runs with the land and not with the person. So when the person sells the property, the approval doesn't go with them, it stays with the property. As a result, you can argue until you are black and blue in the face about what you intend to do, and council's going to sit there and go, that's nice, I don't care. See, they've got to consider not only how you could use it, but how future owners could lawfully or unlawfully use it going forward. Now, I had the best example of this the other day. Someone came to me with a warehouse and they wanted to put a mezzanine in. And they were like, we just want to put some storage stuff up there. We're not increasing our storage. We're just spreading it out a little bit more so it's easier to get to, etc., etc. So we're not intensifying the use on the property. And I was like, yeah, that's nice. But the next person that comes along, they could go and whack some extra stuff in there, and therefore you are intensifying the use. So council's got to kind of consider that. And they're like, nah. We're going to take this mezzanine with us when we go. We really value this. I was about to say a naughty word there. This poo. We got to take this stuff with us. And I was like, that's nice. That may be your intention now, but you can't predict what's going to happen in the future. Let's be honest. Cold hard truth, you could go bankrupt tomorrow. And I can tell you now, the liquidators, when they come in, they're not going to be like, oh, look, they didn't intend to keep that mezzanine there. We're going to take that out before we go and sell the property. No, they're just going to sell it as is. Or you could go and sell it and the buyers come in and they go, we're going to offer you triple the market rate for that mezzanine because that is some cool mezzanine. We want that. You're not going to sit there and go, oh no, we're going to take it with us. No, you're going to go, you take it for a double or triple the price and we'll go and buy it for the original price and brand new and whack it in our new warehouse. Or unfortunately, you could take it with you. Next person comes along and they go, oh, that actually was some good mezzanine space. We should get that same thing. They go to council. Council goes, yeah, but we made an exception to the rule for them. It's not really applicable to other people. As if someone's going to sit there and go, oh yeah, that's okay. No, they're going to go, nah, you did it for them, you can do it for me. The expectation has then been set. So yeah, moral of the story, or the point I want to get across today is you can't sit there and say, oh, but I'm different. I'm going to do it this way, or I'm going to use it for this purpose, and that's the reason why I'm super special. No, unfortunately, council does need to consider not only how you can use it, but other people down the track could use it before they open the floodgates and issue that approval. Okay, I think that covers off everything I wanted to say today. As I always say, until next time, thanks for watching.
For all you red tape lovers out there, I have one thing to say. Well, no, actually, I've got three. Number one, the advice provided in these videos is general in nature. It's not site-specific. You would be a silly Billy to go and make financial decisions based on this advice without first checking with the town planner. Don't be a silly Billy. Number two, Brisbane town planning is in no way linked to Brisbane City Council. The views expressed in these videos are my own, not council's. So if you don't like them, blame me, not council. Number three, what was my number three? Oh yeah, the views expressed in these videos are accurate at the time of recording. If you're watching this video back 10 years from now, the views may not be so accurate. That's all.